Do you find it hard to forgive someone who has hurt you deeply? Imagine carrying a heavy stone with you everywhere. This is what holding on to anger feels like. But what if you could set yourself free? Today, I'll share a powerful story inspired by Lord Krishna that will change your perspective on forgiveness forever. Hello and welcome to Krishna Wisdom with Muskan, where we bring you timeless lessons from Lord Krishna's teachings through inspirational stories. In today's story, we'll explore how forgiveness can become your greatest strength, not just a gift to others, but a gift to yourself. Stay with me till the end, and you might discover a secret that can change your life. In the peaceful village of Vrindavan, life was simple but full of lessons. Among its residents was Dharam, a wealthy merchant known for his pride, quick temper, and love for material possessions. Dharam had everything: money, respect, and power, but he lacked one thing: humility. One day, a poor orphan boy named Raghav was drawing water from the village well. Unaware of Dharam standing nearby in his expensive silk robes, Raghav accidentally splashed water on him. Dharam's clothes were soaked, and his anger flared. "How dare you ruin my clothes, you useless boy!" he shouted. His voice echoed across the village square, drawing a crowd. The villagers stood silently, too afraid to intervene. Dharam continued his tirade, calling Raghav names and threatening to punish him. Humiliated and frightened, Raghav ran to the village temple, tears streaming down his face. He fell to his knees before the deity of Lord Krishna and cried out, "Why did this happen to me? I didn't mean to harm anyone. Why am I being punished?" As Raghav wept, a gentle voice resonated in his heart. It was Krishna, speaking directly to him. "Why do you cry, my child?" Krishna asked. Raghav looked up, startled yet comforted. "I was wronged, Lord. Dharam humiliated me before the entire village. How can I find peace when I feel so hurt?" Krishna smiled gently and said, "Would you like to learn a lesson that will bring peace to your heart, no matter what happens in life?" Raghav nodded eagerly. Krishna began. Once, a traveler journeying through a dense forest was attacked by robbers. They stole everything he had, beat him, and left him wounded and alone. Despite his pain, the traveler sat under a tree and prayed, "Lord, forgive them. May they find the light that I could not show them." Raghav interrupted, confused. But why would he forgive them? They caused him so much harm. Krishna explained, forgiveness is not about condoning the wrong. It is about cutting the chains that tie you to anger, pain, and resentment. When you forgive, you free yourself. But remember, forgiveness doesn't mean you let others harm you repeatedly. It means protecting your peace while rising above anger. Moved by Krishna's words, Raghav asked, "But Lord, how can I forgive someone as arrogant as Dharam?" Krishna replied, "When you respond to anger with kindness, you create a mirror that forces the other person to see their own flaws. Try it, and you will see the power of forgiveness." The next morning, with newfound courage, Raghav approached Dharam. The villagers watched curiously, expecting another confrontation. With folded hands, Raghav said, "Sir, I am sorry for spilling water on you. It was my mistake, and I understand your anger. But I forgive your harsh words because I know they came from your frustration. I hope you can forgive me too." Dharam was stunned. He had expected fear or defiance, not kindness. Raghav's calm words struck a chord in his heart. Reflecting on his actions, Dharam felt the weight of his pride and anger. "I am ashamed," Dharam said, his voice trembling. "You have shown me what true strength is. I am sorry for my behavior." In front of the entire village, Dharam apologized to Raghav and pledged to become more patient and humble. The villagers, inspired by this transformation, realized that forgiveness is not a sign of weakness but a sign of immense inner strength. Lesson from Krishna. Krishna appeared in Raghav's heart once more and said, "My child, today you have learned that forgiveness is not just an act, it is a state of being. It is about choosing love over anger and peace over conflict. When you forgive, you heal not only yourself but also those around you. Remember, forgiveness is a gift you give yourself." Krishna's teachings remind us that forgiveness is a path to inner freedom. It allows us to let go of burdens and embrace peace. What did you learn from today's story? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Krishna Wisdom with Muskan. Together, let's spread the light of Krishna's wisdom. Until next time, stay blessed and keep spreading positivity.